Welcome to our story today. My name is Dee Hare, and I'm the director of the Northeast Regional Library. Today, my son Cole and I will read to you Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. We're reading with permission of the publisher and the author.
Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want
Yes.
a
what?
a
A ball? A swim? A hat?
chew.
Are you okay?
I do not know. I achoo. I cannot stop achoo. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald?
No, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh, 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 choo. Goodbye.
Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy. Great news. I have a cold.
Good for you.
Thank you for listening to our story today. Join us again tomorrow for another fun story.
Do that.